Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup Azure SQL to storage for server migration, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin, log in to your Azure portal. Navigate to the Azure SQL database that you want to backup. Select the database to access its management options. In the Overview panel, look for the Export option. Click on the Export button to initiate the backup process. You will be prompted to fill in a few fields. Enter a name for your backup file. Choose the desired storage account where you want to save the backup. If you don't have a storage account set up, you need to create one. Select a container within the storage account to store your backup. Ensure you have the correct permissions on both the SQL database and the storage account. You will also need to provide the authentication details. Enter the server admin login and password for the SQL database. Review all settings to ensure they are correct. Once everything looks good, click OK to start the export process. The process may take some time, depending on the size of your database. You can monitor the progress in the notifications area of the portal. Once the export is complete, you'll receive a notification. Now, navigate to your storage account to verify the backup. Access the blob service within your storage account. Locate the container you selected for saving the backup. You should see your backup file listed there. To verify the integrity of your backup, download the file. Ensure the file transfers correctly without any errors. Now that you have a successful backup, you can proceed with your server migration. Remember to secure your backup files after the migration process. Keep the backup stored safely until you confirm everything is functioning on the new server. This completes the process of backing up your Azure SQL database to storage for server migration. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.